Cause on my chest we saw the stars. They aren't shining quite as bright, like years apart. Take your love, take my...
I'm about to scrapbook right now, and I wanted to show you the process because it's really intense. What's this? Today I'm going to be doing it in this location because the sun is coming and I just want a better lighting. But like also the sun. Cooking the things that I currently love, like my favorites, or like things that I love. I just already said that. But I'm using these stickers as my title. Let's see what I'm gonna name it. I don't want to be basic. I spaced it out. I know how I want it to look. So now I'm gonna paste it down. Okay. Everything's pasted now. So I feel like, oh my gosh, never mind. Everything is pasted now. Now I want to talk about it before I write about it. Some of these are gonna get me cancelled. So first I have Taylor Swift. I used to hate on Taylor Swift. Okay, hear me out here. Everyone was telling us to do it. They were saying she's writing songs about her exes, but like, I'm sorry, the songs were good. I'm so sorry for what you just had to witness. I don't know what this is. Don't know what she thought she was doing. But it's never gonna happen again, you don't have to worry. I would be like, oh, separating artist from the music, like, even though music was the problem. But like, now, I'm sorry, I'm a fan. I'm a fan. Next is Enola Holmes 2. If you know anyone that's watched Enola Holmes 2, it consumed their life. This movie's so good. This movie's so good. Louis Partridge and a Pear Tree Carried, matcha, and makeup. Okay, once again, I used to hate matcha. I used to hate on it because it used to taste like grass. And I feel like it does still taste like grass. It tastes better. Did I do it to be trendy? Maybe. But did I end up liking it genuinely? Yeah. These are all the stickers I chose to put on. I ended up having a matcha sticker. I feel like I need some like praise for that because like I need to stop saying like yes. Yeah, basically. Okay. That's it. How does it look? We're trying this on. Is it a yes? No, maybe so. What are you thinking? Like if it was up here, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Then it would be really good.
Yeah. There. But the execution is
idea there, execution not.
Yeah.
Okay, we were served this, so we're gonna be trying it.
Okay,
ready?
Set, go. What was that?
I bit it off.
Oh, it's good.
It's kind of good.
It's like sweet ginger. It's pickled ginger.
Pickled. It's like a little sour and like.
This is better.
Girl, show your head.
This is better than normal.
Yeah, it's better than normal. So get the pink.
Pickled ginger, like the offering.
It's a fish. That one's sad too. It's gonna fall again. I already lost one pair of chopsticks. Guys, I sacrificed one pair of chopsticks and
Sacrificed.
so then I had to go steal the chopsticks from the next door neighbors.
Yeah.
They were kind of looking really upset though. Like,
I don't think they were home.
no, they're looking kind of mad. Like, do you see that? Like, they're so mad right now. You guys want to see?
Sorry, stop staring at us.
Excuse me.
Close my eyes. I see you for what you really are.